a destination I've wanted to go since I was like 10 years old. Hey guys, welcome to Bora Bora. This is the dream destination that Chelsea and I have always wanted to go to. It's actually been a destination I've wanted to go since I was like 10 years old. So we made it happen and we're out here. And if you don't know where Bora Bora is, it's about 160 miles off Tahiti, which is the mainland that you fly into, the international airports, which is about halfway from LA to Australia, right there down in the South Pacific. So we decided on this place because we're with some very special friends. Right down here, Mark and Liz, some of our best friends from DC.
So we actually were planning on going somewhere else, and then Mark and Liz invited us to Bora Bora, and we were like, I mean, can we say no? So here we are. It's absolutely beautiful, as you've probably heard. If you can make it out to this place, oh my gosh, definitely do.
So we're starting out our first full day hopping on the Raanui boat tour, and we'll take you guys for a tour of the boat and show you what the amenities are once we hop on the boat. So we just got to our first stop here on the boat tour, which is a phenomenal snorkeling location. Seriously, the water is so blue, it feels like we're in a pool. But before we show you guys what's underwater, a little more about this tour is it's 120 USD per person, includes so much. So the full day includes swimming with sharks, rays, snorkeling in the coral garden, circling the whole island by boat, swim with mantas, and stop on Motu Island, where we're going to have the lunch freshly cooked for us on this remote island that nobody lives on. During the day, they provide water, beer, and they have all your snorkel gear you need. So it is so worth the price for how much you get to see. You really feel like you see the whole island once you've completed this tour. Oh wow guys, so we just got done with our first snorkel in Bora Bora, and it would not be as good as it was without having the 180-degree view with our Unigear snorkel masks here. These things made it literally feel like we were in an aquarium.
You guys, the eel over there was like as long as us.
It was as big as us.
Yeah.
I picked it up. I was like, ah!
So one awesome part about these things also is they have a GoPro attachment on top.
You can literally breathe normally underwater. It's pretty crazy. So you don't have to worry about having the mouthpiece of a regular snorkel fill with water. It's literally, you just breathe. It's so easy.
We'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to go and check out Unigear. Shark! This is unbelievable. Look at this. These sharks are going to eat us. Shark bait.
Back!
He thinks you're cute. Oh. Chelsea, how did that stingray back massage feel?
It's pretty awesome. Very unique back massage.
They do them for free, and they don't ask for a back massage back.
We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
So we have the shark wrestler Mark Phillips here. All right, Liz is gonna show him how to get in the water.
Actually, this guy is.
Alright, where is it?
She's too scared.
Oh, look at that big guy down there.
Where'd he go?
Oh god!
There is another one!
I'm the fish! I just am hanging on the dead fish!
There is another one!
Oh, Mark, there's a huge one by your foot. Mark's hyperventilating. Are you guys ready for this? We have the next shark diver going in.
Like way too close for comfort.
Who survived?
You're here, Mark.
They're like right underneath me, like 1 foot.
So far this boat tour has been epic. We were swimming with sharks in a few different areas all over the island right here, and now we're getting lunch here at this like random island just about probably 1 mile away from the mainland, and then yeah, after that we're gonna go back out on the water. Now the tour includes a nice full lunch served right here on a secluded uninhabited island, where it looks like they have salads, rice, and bread, chicken, beef. Oh yeah, everything you could ever want.
It's not on my face.
Yeah. Just had an awesome lunch on this beautiful island. It's like a literal paradise. Steak, fish, rice, fruit for dessert, fresh fruit, so good. So now we are headed back to the boat, and we are on our way to see some manta rays. I think it's our last stop for the day, but still so excited, and it's been an incredible day so far.
That concludes this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Hit that subscribe button if you found it helpful or interesting. We'll have a lot more videos like this coming this way soon. We'll see you guys in the next video.